Hello everybody, so I'm currently at home, and first let me apologise because at Christmas I said that I would be doing quite a number of videos on the Harry's Bar project week on week. I have had a number of private messages via Messenger on Facebook and also on the YouTube, and so let me just apologise for that. And the reason being is that we haven't started, to be fair with you. We should be starting slowly on Monday with the big first tranche drawn down. That'll be one of the problems that I'll talk you through. So what I'm going to do instead, I've just gone in exchange and completed for a client on a property 3-bed to 6-bed all ensuite HMO. So I've been there this morning to give you a bit of a tour, and I've also been called out by James Steer. So thank you very much, James, for giving me that kick up the backside. So that's why I've got up this morning. It's 7:30. I didn't realise there was 2 7s in a day. Funny enough, I don't get up till 8:10 normally, but I've been there this morning, had a quick walk around, done a video, started doing a few drawings on the wall. So what I'll do now, I'll skip over to the video I've been walking around, and now it's already starting on Monday. I will be doing week on week videos, so hopefully this will help you out. So yeah, any questions or queries you think that I'm able to maybe to help you out with, please do comment below. Anything structural, building, quantity surveying, whatever you think amongst this project when I'm walking around, please comment below and I'll get back to you. Speak to you soon. Bye. So this is the front of the property here now. We're going to be changing all windows and doors. As you can see as you walk in, the door's not the best. I'll take you a look around the house now. So this is the entrance hallway. Originally what this was 2 flats. There was council tax on both flats, but I'm not sure how legal they were. So this was the original door to the upstairs flat. It was very simple to get into, to be fair with you. And this door here was to the ground floor flat. Nice lovely carpet. I can remember when I was younger, these carpets were definitely in back in the day. I'm not sure if they're going to make a comeback, but I don't think we want to wait around and save them. So we'll be changing them for sure. So from the front of the property, at the moment there's a cut through here, goes into the middle lounge. So what this was originally in the flat, this was someone's their bedroom. So that was the bedroom in the flat. As you come through behind me, where that lovely carpet is, this was a living area. And through there was the old kitchen and a bathroom through the back. So what we shall be doing in this property, we'll be obviously blocking up this wall for soundproof and fire protection anyway. We'll be cutting a hole through this section here. So cutting a hole through there. I will mark on the wall where it's going to be. And that'll be an ensuite bedroom. So if you think you walk through that door, straight in front of you would be an ensuite. So let me get to the other side of the property. So here will be the door. You walk through, that'll be blocked up, and the ensuite will be here. So your bed will be to the right hand side as you walk in. This will be the living room lounge. There'll be more, kitchen lounge. There'll be more kitchen than lounge. In these properties, we have some with lounges, some with a bit of a dining area, maybe a breakfast bar and stools. But in here, this is going to be the kitchen. I'll spin you around now. So you can sure see bedroom at the front, kitchen, very small lounge in the centre. So as I go back to here, I'll walk you around. This door will be the entrance to the utility area. There is a basement in this property. We will be putting a stud wall, say roughly where them handles are there. And it will be going all the way, nice straight line along to the outside wall. This will create a fire protection from the kitchen, a separation area there. So the left hand side will be a utility, maybe washer at the bottom, dryer at the top, and a nice separate space. And let's imagine now you walk through this separate partition here. You've got a bedroom door. That will be a bedroom. That is quite long. The camera's not really doing justice. Let me get a laser measure out. I'll tell you how long that bedroom is now. So you'll see, if you can mark it's too dark, that's 4.38 in length. Let's take you through to the bathroom at the back of the property, the current bathroom. The old-fashioned green lime bathrooms, really nice. I don't know if you've noticed, but you've probably not seen a back door. So this wasn't up to regs anyway. And when we took over this property, this was a lease option that we had. And the previous person that had this on an option, what their clever idea was, instead of paying for a new back door, they couldn't afford it. That section there, that's been overlined with ply and painted. That was the original back door. I don't know if you can see it there. So it was here. So it's all. There is a door behind that, which is crazy. There was a lady living in here, and it must be in her late 40s, hard of walking, and my concern was, if there was a fire, how could she get out? Obviously, the guy who had the lease option didn't really have the morals and ethics and didn't really care, to be honest with you. So we took over the option. The original buyer wasn't happy with the original lease option, and he defaulted many times on payment, so we took over this option. So I'll take you upstairs now. So this will be the upstairs flat. Let's go upstairs and have a quick look. So this at the back was the kitchen and bathroom. We were putting a door in there. We're ripping out the old bathroom. It's way too big for an ensuite bedroom. So you walk in here. We're shortening this to roughly here. That'll give a nice sized bedroom at the back of here. Just an old-fashioned kitchen at the moment. So this is the original bathroom. So you walk through, as you can see, long hallway, the usual setup, only one window in the front. But then you've got a central bedroom here. This will be the same. You walk in here, nice window to your left. You pan around, there's an ensuite in that far side of the bedroom. Got a nice couple of drawers here and wardrobes. I'll probably give them away to a charity. We don't need them. Obviously, they'll only fill the skips, and it's always good to give back and give people these items that are still usable. Look at the lovely outside space. Obviously, it's not been maintained in quite a while. If anyone wants any free, obviously, ivy, please get in touch. I'm more than happy to come and take it away. So I'll take you through. So there's 2 bedrooms downstairs, 1 in the back upstairs, 1 in the middle, 4. I'll take you through here. It's going to be a nice, big, ensuite bedroom. As I said, I've only got 1 window in here. Normally terrace houses have got 2, the big terrace houses anyway. You can see the previous lease option tried to do a bit of work on the green because he was going to rent it back out like this. Obviously, as we took over, we decided to move the tenants out into a better accommodation because this wasn't livable in my standards. I wouldn't rent a house that wasn't livable, and nor would I rent it as well. So that's 5 bedrooms. I know at the beginning I did tell you 6-bed HMO, so you're probably thinking, where the hell is a 6th bedroom? You can't really squeeze any more in. But if I walk back out and pan back around to show you this section, as you can see, there's a little something here. As you see, that door's a bit tight. But let's see, the staircase is existing. We're currently talking to the building regulation officer because it's existing, whether we need to change it. If we need to, we could step up here more of a vertical angle to get yourself up there more smoother. So let's take a look at the loft. And there's a really funny story on this loft. When I first come and saw the tenant who was living here, he advised me not to go in the loft, it's very scary, and he very much so tried to not get me up here. And I thought, strange, what's up here, dead bodies, is it not safe? But he said, no, there's nothing to do with that, it's safe. It's just that when he moved in, he checked out these cupboards, and he said there was a lot of sex toys, like dildos and stuff, and I think it's frightening for life. He said it used to be a bit of upstairs as a brothel years and years ago, so they must have left their, let's say, their belongings behind. So what we're going to do here, as you can see, I've already started marking out. The council will measure at 1.5 height. That's where that is, and that's there. We are going to be taking these walls out both sides, pushing them right back as far as we can, probably right back there. And from this wall here to that back section there, that's an extra 1.4 metres. And that'll be the same both sides. Because you can see the person that's done this loft conversion, the height of that there and the height of that ceiling are way different. So we're going to be pushing this room back an extra 2.8 metres. Yes, the council will only measure it at 1.5 high, that's fine. But it gives the visualisation of an even bigger room. It will be 10 square metres by the council anyway, but the visualisation for a tenant is going to be looking about 14 to 16 square metres. I'm not 100% bang on the numbers yet because we haven't ripped the walls back, but that's the quick overview. So, hope this helps. It's Saturday morning, I'm just doing a walk around in a property. As I said, 2 flats, or it could have been a 3-bed house back in the day, to a 6-bed HMO. Thank you for listening. Bye.